In this video, I'll guide you through how to add images to a Substack post. If you're new to Substack or you've only used it for simple text notes so far, this walkthrough will show you exactly where everything is and how to get your images looking the way you want. First, open your web browser and go to substack.com. If you're not already signed in, take a moment to log into your account so you can create and publish content. Once you're on your dashboard, look toward the top of the page for the Create button. This is where you start anything new on Substack, whether it's a full newsletter or a quick note. Click on Create. When you do, you'll see a few options for what you can make. For this tutorial, we're focusing on adding images to a Substack note, which is a shorter, more casual post format. So go ahead and click on Note. You'll now be in the note editor. This is the space where you can type whatever is on your mind. Click into the main text area and start writing. You might want to add a short title-like first line, then type a sentence or two of context for your image. Even if your note is very simple, it's usually helpful for readers if you tell them what they're looking at and why you're sharing it. Once you've added some text, you're ready to bring in your image. Look toward the bottom left corner of the editor. You should see an option to insert media, including images. Click on the Insert Image button down there. This is what tells Substack that you want to add a picture to your note rather than just more text. After you click Insert Image, a small menu or dialog will appear, giving you different media choices. From those options, click on Image. This tells Substack that you're uploading a standard image file from your device, like a photo or a graphic. Now your computer's file picker will open. Navigate to the folder where your image is stored. Take a moment to choose the image that best fits what you're writing about. Once you've found the file you want, click on it to select it, and then click Open. Substack will upload the file and place it directly into your note where your cursor was. Give it a moment to load. When the image appears in the editor, you can usually click on it to see basic options like changing its size or alignment, depending on Substack's current features. This is a good time to make sure the image looks clear and is positioned in a way that supports your text. If it doesn't look right, you can delete it and repeat the image insertion process with a different file. When you're happy with both your text and your image, you're ready to share your work. Look for the Post button, usually at the bottom or top of the editor. Clicking Post will publish your note along with the image you just added to your Substack audience. And that's it. You've gone from opening Substack to creating a note to writing what's on your mind and finally inserting and posting an image. Once you're comfortable with these steps, you can repeat the process anytime you want to add visuals to your Substack notes.